Welcome to Back to Work with Poppin.
Today we're hearing from Matteo and Emily, our space planning experts, about floor plans designed for social distancing.
For the redesign of Poppin's New York City office, we wanted to create a really beautiful space that people would enjoy working from. We also understand that every individual has a different work style, and so we wanted to provide the maximum variety of zones that people could use throughout the day, from meeting rooms to lounge to more focused and quiet work, along with people's individuals' desks.
So we had several considerations when we began thinking about updating our floor plan, including several goals. Some of our goals were, of course, social distancing. So we wanted to make sure to have a 6-foot circle for each person in the space, as well as enough space in the aisles to get proper function and flow in the office. We also had a new head count that we needed to accommodate, and that means we also wanted to consider flexibility for the future. So when we grow in the future, or when we have less socially distanced needs, we wanted to make sure this is a floor plan we can be flexible with. We also wanted to use our floor plan as an example for our clients who come to visit the showroom and see our furniture solutions. So using our office as kind of a case study for this is how you can socially distance your space, and this is how we're doing it. So for personal workspaces, we try to prevent people as much as possible from being face-to-face. So in the front office, we ended up using our boom power rails that we had existing. And since we had single Series L desks, we could easily remove every other desk and position our desks in a zigzagging pattern, which prevents people from directly being face-to-face. And it also prevents people from directly being back-to-back. So each person then has not only their 6-foot bubble side to side, but they are not facing anyone and they won't bump into anyone behind them.
Meetings will always be around, and they are important. They're a way for teams to collaborate. So when it comes to meeting rooms, you want to make sure that people feel comfortable. When you have the space, fill it with a large desk that provides the maximum amount of distance between individuals. When you have smaller rooms, you can provide individuals with their own side table that they are responsible for cleaning after use.
In general, in the office, we found that personal privacy is key, really. Psychologically, it helps a lot when you feel safe in your office, and there's a lot of different solutions that we came up with that allow people to feel more comfortable in their personal workstations and conference rooms, in lounge spaces, and get back to work.
On the next episode, you'll go behind the scenes to see our own office reconfiguration at Poppin HQ.
Thanks for following along, and we're always here to help with solutions for returning to your office.